GCSE qualifications are undergoing a number of key changes. The most notable of these is the switch in grading to 9:1 rather than A* to G. Qualifications will be linear, so students will take all of the assessments at the end of the course and receive one final qualification grade. There have also been some changes to the content, examinations and coursework or non-examined assessment. So, how will exam boards ensure that students are not disadvantaged during this time of change? Exam boards will use statistical evidence during this period to make sure that students are not unfairly disadvantaged during the transition. And, as always, senior examiners who are experts in their subject area will review exam scripts at key grade boundaries. Let's look at how this will work in practice. Statistical data from exam series in previous years will be used to create an anchor between the old and the new grading scale and to ensure we have a consistent starting point. In each qualification, predictions will be used to help set grade boundaries at 3 key or judgmental grades. The bottom of grade 7 will be broadly aligned with the bottom of the old grade A. The bottom of grade 4 will be broadly aligned with the bottom of the old grade C. And the bottom of grade 1 will be broadly aligned with the bottom of the old grade G. Senior examiners will inspect exam scripts at these grade boundaries to confirm that the level of performance is acceptable. All other grades, except for grade 9, will be set arithmetically, meaning they will be at equal distances between grades 7, 4 and 1. Grade 9 will be set in the first year using a calculation. The proportion of candidates who achieve a grade 9 in each subject will vary, depending on the proportion who achieve a grade 7. After the first award for each qualification, statistics will be used to carry forward the standard at grade 9. We know that it takes a few years for qualifications to bed in, as teachers become more familiar with the content and structure, and as more practice papers and support materials become available. As time goes on, assessments will perform as they are designed and grade boundaries may increase to reflect this. So, to recap, statistical data will be used at the key grade boundaries of 7, 4 and 1, which will create a link from the old grades to the new. And at national level, the proportions of 16-year-olds achieving grades 7, 4 and 1 will be broadly aligned with those achieving grades A, C and G in the previous year. Collectively, all this means an approach that will ensure students are treated fairly and not disadvantaged as we move to the new 9:1 grading system. Pearson will continue to provide support to both teachers and students throughout this time of change.